looking for profitable business you can start right now and make good money, then you are watching the right video, as I am about to share with you 7 profitable business you can start right now with little or no capital. Oh yes, I'm not just going to be showing you the business, I will give you strategies that will help you make good money in this business. Some of this business I have done them in the past, and some of them I'm currently doing right now, and some my friends are doing it and are making good amounts of money monthly. I will share it with you. You can test them and start making money too. I will also show you profile of people that are doing this business on Facebook. You can go learn from them or just see what they are doing and see how you can start your own. It's that simple. My name is Esther Chukwu and I am a sales and marketing coach. In this channel, I share with you proven tips, tricks and strategies that will help you make more sales online. And not just that, I also share ways you can make fast and free money online from different platforms, different websites and applications. So if this is what you are interested in and you are just dropping by today, then I happily welcome you to the money making game. Go ahead right now and subscribe to our YouTube channel and also turn on the notification bell. With that, you'll be updated and given notification anytime I drop the beautiful videos just like this. Now let's get started. Top 7 business ideas you can start right now and begin to make money. Like I said earlier, some of these businesses I've done them in the past. Some of them I'm currently doing, and some my friends are doing it, and we all are making good money. And I believe that if anyone should take one of these business, run with it, make research, and then put in the needed hard work, the person is going to make money also, not just money, a good money at that. Okay, while I may not give all the needed information in each of the business because I don't want the video to be too long, but if you are interested in any of them, you can make more research about it and then start the business. Trust me, you are going to make money from it. I'm going to be sharing also from a place of experience. Now, this is number 1, customized t-shirts and printing. Now, I've done this business in the past and I know how profitable it is. It is profitable because branded t-shirts are needed for different occasions. They are needed for birthday celebration, wedding anniversary, pre-wedding shoots, child dedication, funerals, business hangouts, political campaigns, advertisements, and all other things that are widely needed. As we are talking right now, some people are printing branded t-shirts, some people are wearing branded t-shirts and using it for all sorts of things. The question now is, can you be the person supplying these t-shirts to some of these people that need it? And guess what? You don't even need to be the producer, you don't need to be the designer or the one printing it. You don't need to. When I did this business, I was the middleman. I noticed that some people need branded t-shirts for different occasions. And I know that there are some other people producing it, and most times they just sit pretty in their offices, in their printing press, waiting for customers to come. I decided to be the middleman, giving it from these people and giving it to these people that needs it. The only thing I did was I was creative. I brainstormed for ideas and then created catchy words that was used in the t-shirts. And you too, you can do that. Just formulate catchy words you can put in the t-shirt and then you are ready to go. Once you do that, you can get a good designer that will design the t-shirt for you and print it. Make sure that it's somebody that is reliable, somebody that once you start having good orders, the person will not fail you. So negotiate with the designer. Then you can decide to start with a mock-ups. When I started, I didn't just go straight and print all of them. I just used a mock-up that was designed for the t-shirt and used it. People were interested, they ordered, and then we printed the actual t-shirts. So once you have the mock-up, you can go ahead and sell it on your WhatsApp status. You can also use your broadcast list. Your WhatsApp broadcast is another good money that people don't know. If you have enough contact, then you should create a broadcast list and start selling there every day, sending your offers to the broadcast list. Those that are interested will buy. Then if you really want to make sales massively in this business, then you should use Facebook ads. Why? Because in Facebook ads, you'll be able to target these specific people doing different celebrations weekly, monthly. You'll be able to target them. So you can also collaborate with bakers, because bakers are also needed in different celebrations because of their cake. So they have to produce cake that people use in celebrating different things. So if you collaborate with them, and both of you are you are bringing t-shirt, the person is bringing cake and other things, it is going to work better. For instance, maybe you can promise someone that with 20,000 naira, the package for their birthday will be ready, including the t-shirts, the cake, the wines, and other small things that they put there. So you guys can collaborate and do that, and it's going to work. Then make irresistible offers too. Now, if you are using Facebook ad, this is just exactly how you will do it. If you already know how to run ads, just go to the detailed targeting section and then type birthdays in the month you want. For instance, if you are in July right now and you want to sell to people next month, you can start this month and then target people that will have their birthday in the month of August. You just set it there, and then they will see it that I need t-shirt, I need this, I need that, and they're going to order. So look at the sample of the mock-ups I created. Is it not catchy? It's not like the queen is born in month of June, the legends are born in July. It is something unique, something different from the normal. So that is exactly what I expect you to do, to create something out of the ordinary. Look at this one. I am in love with Yoruba girl. Remember, people that are in love, they like to show that yes, they are in love. And then look at the tribal sentiment I put in there. So you can do these things and make good money from it. It's very, very profitable. If you have more questions about this, you can ask it in the comment section. Then the second business is arbitrage business. Now, this simply means buying and selling of product from area of surplus to another area of scarcity. In other words, you just buy cheap and sell with good profits. Let's say beans is costly in Lagos, and then there's another state like Nasarawa that beans is cheaper. Buying beans in Nasarawa and selling in Lagos is just food arbitrage business. So the best arbitrage business is foodstuff business. So you buy the foodstuff from areas, from states, it is way very, very cheaper, and you sell it to places where they are more expensive. So the difference you are making from how much you bought it and how much you sold it is your profit. So I am currently doing this business. So I sell Abakaliki rice to different parts of the country, because Abakaliki rice is a good one and people use it from different parts. So I supply to different states. In fact, I have many other things I supply, but I don't want to talk about it. So you can do it also. Most times you don't even need money to start this supply. Just have an idea that yes, this thing is expensive in this place and I can get it cheaper in this place. Just say travel to the place to get pictures, to negotiate with the people is enough. Once you do that, then you go back to where you are from or to the place where it is expensive and tell them that you have a good offer for them. Tell them the offer that you can supply this thing even at a cheaper rate than they are buying it. Let me say that a bag of beans I used as an example before is sold at maybe 50k in Lagos, and in Nasarawa they are selling it 44k. So if by the time you do all your transportation and then everything is at 47k, you can decide to tell the people that even though you are buying this thing at 50k in Lagos, I can decide I will be supplying to you at 49,500. Who won't love to save, some small amount from whatever they are buying? That 500 naira is already enough for them to make the decision to buy from you. And you know what happens when you are now selling in bags, like in mini bags? That is more profit. Okay, so look at samples of some of the supplies that people do. Okay, there is a particular lady over here, she's already known for this kind of business. She's widely known. For some of you that don't know her, you can check her out on Facebook. Her name is Obayosa. She does storage, she does food supply to, from different places to Abuja where she lives. So, and she have made millions, millions from this business alone. She have made millions from it. So it's a lucrative business. So if you decide, you can start this, and you can start it without having a dime. Okay, and then the third one is personal shopper. If you are a service oriented person, I know some people that love going to the market. I know some people that love cooking. Last year I was with my best friend. She just came in because she's been out for so long, and she loves going to the market and she loves cooking. Meanwhile, I am the direct opposite of it. When I'm in the market, I'm always crying, and in my kitchen I don't even enter it to cook. So, but this lady, she came back, and every day she's always going to the market. Every day she's always cooking. And then, I love food so much. I was just eating and just adding weight anyhow. And I thought to myself, what if this girl monetize this? Will I call it talent now, or will I call it gift? Or will I call it passion? So, or like, what if she monetizes this her passion in going to the market and then cooking? What if she monetize it and help others to shop, help others to cook? Won't it be beautiful? So I told her. She said okay, that she will think about it. If this is what you love doing, going to the market, so you have to monetize it. So you help busy professionals, help homes, and then help business owners that are busy with their own business. You can help them to shop different kind of things. So you can serve lawyers, doctors, nurses. We all know where they stay. Some of them stay in the hospital from morning to night. They stay in the office from morning to night. They barely have time to go to the market. You can be their personal shopper. You can even shop for schools. Schools have different kind of requirements they give their students, and most times parents don't even have time to go and source it. You can negotiate with the school. Tell them that they should tell the parent that they will sort different school materials for them. Many people already doing it. All it will take you is to work to at least 10 or 20 schools. It's possible. You can do it in a week. And from those 10 or 20 schools, at least 3 to 4 of them will be interested in what you have to offer. And then that is how business starts. Now, Mumu Dede Idol. You can also serve lazy housewife, and you can also get clients online. Look at Blessing. Blessing is a personal shopper, and she have made school money for shopping. Look at her profile. If you can buy it, I can sell it. She have made good money from shopping for people. You just tell her what you want, she will go and buy it for you. Also, another person, Judy Bliss. There are many people doing it on Facebook. It is very simple and it is profitable. You can do it also. The next one is clothes reselling business. I have done this one while I was in school, and I made good cash. I have not ever believed in being idle at all. So even while I was in school, with all the work I do, I still had to, start selling something. So this was one of the business I did in school, and I made huge amount of money from it. But then this business is far better if you are living around a university area, or maybe a corporate environment, like where banks are, where ministries are, and all that, because they are the ones that will patronize you more. Okay, so what do you have to do? I'm talking about OK dresses, the second-hand dresses. Okay, that's what I'm talking about right now. You go to where they sell it, pick fine dresses, fine clothes, fine different kind of clothes. Pick them, wash it, iron it, and package it in beautiful transparent nylon. Then you can begin your journey. Go to different hostels, different lodges, different offices, and advertise what you have. Most of them, they will be so happy. Some people, they don't wear all these mass produced clothes. And they also know that to buy Italian clothes, all these high-tech clothes is expensive, and which one is the next lower option to those clothes is OK Dresses, and that is why most people go for it more. So one is cheaper, and it will give you at least part of the experience and class you are looking for in those Italian UK clothes, because that is actually the place they are coming from. So they will buy from you. Just do this: buy them, wash them, iron them very well, and then pack it. Most clothes those days I bought for 500 naira, and after doing my work I save for 1.5. You can just start with 20 clothes, then from there you increase it. So just do this again and again and again, even if you're a student, or even if you can. Some of you are workers, you can also do this with your co-workers. Buy them and then show to them, and they will buy. Number 5 is egg supply. This is also another lucrative business, and this is also why I added it in this video. My cousin currently do this kind of business, currently does it, and he makes good money from it. All you have to do is just to research and find a reputable farm, not a farm that you buy their egg and you find out that the egg has stayed for 2 months. Farm that they know them very well, that their eggs are good. Find them. Currently they're selling a crate of egg in those big farms are selling it 1,000, and then you can buy and sell at 1,214. Then where the profit comes more is when you are buying in large quantities. And again, you don't need money to start this business. Just identify those reputable farms where you can source from, then begin to work, get pictures from there, and then start advertising. In the online business right now, you don't even need to have cash. Your phone, your data, your internet connectivity is enough. You can do all of this business. If you notice, some of them is middleman business, where you're a middleman to people that need this product and people that are selling it. So you can do it, get picture, advertise it, and all that. I do WhatsApp ad for people, and just recently I noticed that most of them I advertise for, they're not even the owner of the business, they're middlemen. So you can do this. Eggs are needed in bakeries, they're needed in restaurants, they're needed in hotels, boarding schools, shop outlets, different places. They are widely needed. Egg is more profitable than even broiler business. So you can decide to start this business too. It gives quick return. Then number 6 is infopreneurship. Now it is just selling digital products, creating and selling it. So don't mind the big grammar. Digital products are products that are created and consumed in digital forms. Examples are ebooks, online courses, masterclasses, webinars, planners, templates, done for you, services, and all that. These are examples, and we use digital products to communicate our energy, our passion, our skills, our expertise. Whatever thing we are knowledgeable on, we use it to communicate it. If you are a fitness enthusiast, you can use digital products to show people. If you are a singer, you can use digital products. If you're a comedian, you can use digital products. If you know something more than one person, you can teach it. If you know anything better than one person, then that one person, you need to help that person know it. And then not just helping the person, you get money while doing that. So if you have talents, a gift, an experience, a story, something that will be needed by one person out there, then you should create a digital product. This one, I'm currently doing it, and I will continue to do it. It's a very lucrative business. I have knowledge in different things I want to teach people. Some of them I teach free, just like in this YouTube channel, and some of them is premium. People have to pay me for it. Okay, so if you have a good knowledge that people want to pay, then go ahead and monetize it. Why should you even create and sell digital product? One is that it is a way to share your knowledge. It is very easy to create. easy to store, easy to deliver, and easy to consume. It is easy for people to read your book. It is easy for people to watch your videos. It is easy for you to store it. You don't have to buy drums to store your digital product. Everything is stored on your phone or on your laptop. So it is very, very, very simple. It also requires little or no capital. For a start, your phone is enough. Even if it is ebooks you want to write and publish, you can use Canva. You can use it as a free software. You can use the premium part, or you can use it to design your ebook and sell. It also solves a particular problem for people. Remember, you are not just sharing anything for sharing's sake. The knowledge you are sharing is to solve a problem to people. So as you create a digital product, it will solve problem, and in return it will also make money for you. It has high profit margin and gives continuous return. If I write an ebook right now, except I want to edit the book later on, but once I've written it, and I can sell it over and over and over and over again, and it will not depreciate until maybe I want to edit it. So it continues to give you high profit, unlike normal product you sell. Next is, it is portable, very portable. You can carry it anywhere. You can carry it even if you are going to a cave. You can carry it anywhere. Now, these are the myths we need to talk about as regards these two products. Most people say, I'm not techy, I don't know how to use system. You mustn't use system. You can use your phone. You mustn't be an expert in computer to create your ebook. People say, I don't have huge capital to start. You need little to no capital to start. You must not show your face, and also you must not be popular, just be knowledgeable. Now, this my ebook Cash on Demand is one of the ebooks I created to help people that want to start monetizing their knowledge. In the ebook, you learn how to generate instant and steady cash from the things you already know and do. Things you already know and do, you can generate cash from them. So if you want to get it, let me know in the comment section. This is also some of my ebooks. Facebook ad expertise. I'm a Facebook ads consultant, so I've written like 2 books on it. I also have Instagram ads made easy ebook. If you're interested in any of them, you let me know in the comment section. Then the 7th one is Facebook ad consultant and WhatsApp influencer. Now I'm a Facebook ads consultant, as I said earlier. I'm also a WhatsApp influencer. To be these two, you just have to learn, and within 2 to 3 months you have mastered Facebook ad. So once you learn how to do it, then it's good cash. Weekly I have people running to me, run ads for me, but there's only a little I can do. I cannot run ad for everybody. I just take 10 people to work for each month, and then that is all. Then the other people will just wait till next month. Sometimes they book me a month or 2 months ahead because I hardly have chance to run ads. So, but people keep complaining that I don't know what to do. Learn Facebook ads first. Become a Facebook ad consultant. Master it. In fact, you can even use the whole of this remaining months in this year to learn it. And then say you know that I'm going to be making good money. People want to make sales, and you'll be helping them do that by running Facebook ads. Then you can also be a WhatsApp influencer. Daily right now I make 20k. It's just that I don't even have straight to be putting the thing, but daily I make 20k from people that want me to run WhatsApp ad for them. I started from charging 7 days 2k, then down to charging 3 days 2k, then down to charging 1k 1 days 2k. So, and on and on and on and on. All you need to do is just to grow your WhatsApp list, grow your WhatsApp contacts. Then that will translate to you having good WhatsApp status view. That will translate to that, and once that happens, you are already a WhatsApp influencer. Okay, I also teach you how to do both. I will also teach how to run effective Facebook ads for your business or for other people's business. I also teach how you can get WhatsApp contacts. You can build your WhatsApp contacts from 3K to 5K. With what I'm going to teach you, you can build it easily. You'll be able to extract contact from different WhatsApp groups with one click. You'll be able to save those contacts with one click, and then you'll be able to send them bulk messages. It's not this overhead that people do. They'll go to different inboxes, so by the time they chat 20 to 30 people that are already tired, this one, a software will do it for you. I will show you this software and how to use it. They will extract these particular numbers from the WhatsApp groups. All you need to do is to belong to the WhatsApp group, or at least have the group link of the WhatsApp group. Once you have these two, you are okay to extract the numbers. Then you'll be able to save those numbers in one click. Then you'll be able to send them message in one click. Isn't that amazing? So if you are interested, let me know here. I'm currently running a promo. If you want both masterclass, you can get it at 3.5. Okay, so if you are interested, you let me know. I hope you have learned something here. Look at WhatsApp views, look at the contacts, look at the only thing you have to worry about if you want to be a WhatsApp influencer is the messages you'll be getting. You will get so many messages, you'll be tired of replying. So that is the only thing you will try to, you worry about. I've been trying to know if two people can use the same WhatsApp number, so that at least somebody can help me to be replying some of my messages, but I've not found a way. If you know a way, please let me know. But this is the only thing you worry about. But will you make sales? Yes. Will you advertise for people? Of course, they'll be rushing you. All you need to do is to show them, yes, I have this, then they will come to you. I hope you have learned something. I hope you are going to pick one of these businesses I've listed above and then start them immediately. You just need to do some research about them. If this information I give is not enough, then do your research. You can equally ask questions in the comment section, and I'll be happy to reply them if necessary. Okay, thank you for watching, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel right now. You need to stay updated about the lovely videos I'll be sharing about how you can make more sales and how you can make money online through different softwares, different applications, different websites, different platforms. You need to be updated. So subscribe right now and turn on the notification bell. This will remind you, this will update you anytime I post video on YouTube. Don't forget to leave a comment, and please give this video a thumbs up, like this video so that it will do well on YouTube. Thank you. See you in the next video.